up, this is Anukriti here and welcome back to my channel. So I hope you're all doing well, and if you're new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell for new update. Well, today's video is the much requested video by you guys. You guys have been requesting for this video for like so long. So finally I've decided to do this video for you guys. So today's video is all about my hair color routine. तो आप लोगों ने बहुत request किया कि what color I use on my hair, what is my hair color and everything. So before we get into the video, I just want to let you guys know that I've never been to a hair salon for hair color. I always dye my hair at home. So yeah, without further ado, let's quickly jump into the video. So the color I use is this BBlunt Cello Secret. This is in the shade 4.6 mahogany reddish brown. So yeah, this is the color which I've been using. So I have naturally black hair, as you guys can see here. I only use this color to give that reddish brown shade on my hair and highlight my black hair. So I use this hair color in every 6 months because this color lasts on my hair for like 4 to 5 months. I've dyed my hair in September 2019 last year, and yeah, after that I am dyeing my hair like today to show you guys how the color comes out. So I've tried so many hair color products but no one worked out for my hair. They make my hair more frizzy, more rough, more dry. So this is the one which is my favorite. It does not make my hair rough and frizzy. This cost only for like 150 rupees, and if you have really long hair like me, one pack is enough for you guys. You can find this hair color on Nykaa and Amazon. I will leave the link of this product in my description box below. I use Tresemme Keratin Smooth shampoo and conditioner both. Shampoo and conditioner will keep your hair color for like very last long, and it will not wash off all the color in just 1 or 2 wash. If you guys want, you guys can probably use the BBlunt Intense Moisture shampoo. This also works great, but I do really like the Tresemme Keratin Smooth shampoo and conditioner. So this color does not take away the natural shine of your hair. So I really love this hair color. If you have really dry and frizzy hair like me, you guys can probably go ahead and try this color. So I've been using this color for like
So the package
years,
comes
and
with
I
a
do
tube
really
of
trust
cream
this
colorant,
hair
a tube of developer, a tube of shine tonic with silk proteins, a pair of disposable gloves and instruction leaflet. Now first thing first, put on the gloves, make sure your entire hands are covered, and squeeze out the contents of the 2 tubes and shine tonic sachet into a non-metallic bowl. Mix the content thoroughly with the help of any brush or any tablespoon. I don't use any tinting brush to color my hair. I just directly apply the color with the help of my fingers. If you guys want, you can probably use the brush. I always start applying the hair color from the center of my head, and after that I start coloring my hair into sections. I use my finger to apply the hair color to get the desirable highlights, and I don't do root touch up since I don't have any gray hair. After I have finished half section of my hair, I'm going to do the same on my other section as well. And then I just let the color sit for like 30 to 40 minutes. So this is how the color looks like on my hair after I've washed my hair. So I really love the result and how the color comes out super well on my hair. So I haven't used any hair serum or straightened my hair. This is my natural curly hair, and since I have very rough and dry hair, this color does not make my hair rough or frizzy. Also, few things which I wanted to tell you guys are that if you want long lasting color, use a color protect shampoo. If you want, use lukewarm water instead of hot water, and restrict hair shampooing twice a week. And also, if you guys want to know why BBlunt color, so well, for starters, this comes with a shine tonic enriched with silk proteins, which adds luster to your dull lifeless hair. Also, I found that color running out after every hair wash is minimum with this product, and it is ammonia free. And this is how this color look like when I do a high ponytail. So BBlunt hair color is an affordable luxury for those wanting to have funky fashion colors on their hair without burning a hole in their pocket. So having used the product myself, I can vouch for the shine on the hair and the long stay of color. It lasts for like 4 to 6 months and with good gray coverage. Most importantly, it's ammonia free.
So that's it for today, guys. That's all about my hair color routine. If you guys want to color your hair in quarantine at home, go ahead and try this color. So I hope this video will be helpful to you guys. If it did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. We are very close to 200k subscribers. Hit the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you guys will know कि नया video आ गया है. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. I'll leave all the links in my description box below. And do let me know about this video in the comment section. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.